Hey, thanks a lot, guys. You know, there's an old proverb that says, a well-fed TV crew is a happy crew. And Gerald Hopper right here with Partners has been feeding our Cox Ford TV crew for about 10, 11 years. Gerald,
as long as I can remember, anyway.
Gerald Hopper with Partners, what is going on? Tell me about that tailgate special.
Well, we have our tailgate special that we have every year during football season, but it feeds a family of 3 to 5. It comes with barbecue ribs, barbecue chicken, pulled pork. You get 2 pints of side orders, baked beans, potato salad, coleslaw, any two you care for. Comes with barbecue sauce, Texas toast, and it's $24.85 every day of the week.
And Tim McGraw, country music star Tim McGraw, said your baked beans are the best in the world. Tell us about those beans.
They're the best beans in the world.
Tailgate special, how can people get a hold of you, and what's your locations?
We're at 2648 South Sherwood Forest, and we're also at 7026 Florida Boulevard. You can get us on the web, www.partnersbatonrouge.com.
And we're going to sing it out right now. Gerald Hopper with Partners Barbecue.
You don't want to give me the mic.
Back to you guys. Thanks a lot.